Today we are taking you inside one of the most beautiful buildings in Prague, National Museum.
The main building was built by prominent neo-Renaissance architect Josef Schulz between 1885 and 1891. It is located at the top of Wenceslas Square near Museum metro station.
Today we have a free entry, but normally you can buy a ticket online or through the application, or you can also get tickets here at the spot. It is recommended to download their application, which will take you through the museum as a guide, and you can learn about different exhibitions. Also, there is a skeleton of fin whale which will come alive through the application, so we are really curious to see that. Now we're entering windows into prehistory. Right when we enter, we can see a small souvenir shop, small bistro where you can have some snack.
The museum also went through a major reconstruction between 2011 and 2018 and reopened in October 2018 during the 100th anniversary of the Czech Republic. There are also interactive parts of the museum where children can touch objects and interact with the exhibits. You can watch even a movie here.
Now we're entering the Hall of Minerals. We are now in the main hall of the Pantheon. Look up. It's just so amazing. Very impressive building.
From here, you can enjoy a beautiful view of Wenceslas Square.
Now we enter the exhibition of history.
Next, we headed to the second floor to visit the Miracle of Evolution exhibition.
Finally, we entered the place with the whale. We were able to activate the whale in the application. You just allow the AR and it will bring the whale alive, and you can also take pictures. It's very big, you can zoom out, so you only see part of the whale. Now we are in the top floor in the Pantheon, and the architecture is absolutely amazing.
We spent around 4 hours exploring the main building and really enjoyed it. It is definitely worth visiting when in Prague. The whole building is wheelchair accessible and there are free lockers and bathrooms available. There is also a restaurant and bistro if you need a break during your visit. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!